Hey, welcome to Merricks Garage. I got a quick tip for you guys. I am replacing all the LEDs. Sorry, I'm replacing all the old incandescent bulbs with LEDs. And my backup lights are not working. So I bought these guys right here. These are some pretty cool LEDs. And I'm also replacing all the lights I can. I got these guys for my running lights. Then this is my brake light that I'm going to replace them with an LED. But I'm not getting power to this right now. And I found the problem. It's actually pretty simple. You have a neutral safety switch, backup switch on your steering column. It's going to be down at the bottom of your column. I'm going to show you on my old column that I pulled out of the Blazer. I've kept it around because I knew I'd be able to rob parts off it, and that's exactly what's happened. So let me show you where it is and how it works, and then we'll replace it, and hopefully these guys will come on. So let's go. Okay, this is where your neutral safety switch lives, and essentially as you work through the linkage right here, it's going to kick your lights on or off as it moves this switch, making connectivity between these two poles. You basically got hot coming in and power going out to the lights. When they're connected through this switch, that's how you get power back to the 12-volt lights in the reverse backup lights. Now, this came off here, and fortunately, I've already cleaned it up with some electrical parts cleaner, but it's in good shape. Let me show you the one that came out of the Suburban. This guy had fallen out. I am guessing this is the culprit as to why my lights weren't coming on. But a quick way to test it, I'm gonna go hook this up and I'm gonna manually move this switch on this guy. This is for your backup lights. I believe this is neutral safety. And yeah, let's go see if this works. Hopefully it does. Fingers crossed. Okay, zero it out. Pull the switch down. Okay, stable, so let's give it a shot. There we are. Okay, that's all it was. So it was my neutral safety switch was bad. Check those bad boys out. So pretty simple fix. That's what I'm going to be focusing on right now. Getting all the little stuff banged out. It's all pretty quick and easy. Start troubleshooting down the line of things that can be. Obviously electrical, check your fuse first. I don't think there's a specific fuse for reverse lights though. And I wasn't getting 12 volts to the switch, to the reverse lights when I tested them either. Hey, and there you have it. There's the Merricks Garage 5-minute fix. Maybe it took a few minutes longer than 5 minutes, but you get the idea. This is the incandescent side. Let me show you guys the, there's the LED side. The LED is quite a bit brighter. I'm gonna get one quick shot before I wrap this when it gets dark so you guys can see the difference. Yeah, pretty simple fix. You've got a couple things to check. Check the voltage at the socket. Make sure that it's not just a bad socket and you're not getting continuity or voltage. Make sure the bulb is good. And then pull the neutral safety switch. You can just do a continuity test on that with your ohm meter, multimeter. See if it's passing current, and if it isn't, there's your problem. Mine was pretty obvious. It was all mankered. Quick fix. Now I can see again. See you later.